Hey guys, so I got another video for you guys today, and this time it's a Simplex 4006 fire alarm control panel. And I got this thing from a friend. We made a deal, and I bought this off of him. It's a really simple panel. It's only 2 NACs, 5 zones, and I think that's an extension card, so it can have up to 10 zones, but I still have to figure that out. But anyways, going on to the devices, I got a Simplex 2099 conventional T-bar. I think the model's back here, 2099 9756. And then I got a 4906 9128, I believe. I think 28's the ceiling mount. Yeah, it's the 28. Yeah. So let's get right on with the test. Oh geez, come on. Got audible silence. And don't mind this, it didn't come with an extra clip. I'll fix that later. But let's do a reset. System normal. Sorry guys if this video isn't longer than my other ones. I really had no time to film this, and I only have a conventional T-bar and 1 alarm. I don't have any other pulse or smokes. So sorry if this test was a little boring. I just wanted to get right to it and just demonstrate this panel. And as always, we'll see you next time.